region of space-time where gravity is extremely strong. It is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Therefore, they are dubbed space monsters. They will devour everything in their path. According to NASA estimates, there could be from 10 million to 1 billion black holes in the galaxy containing our solar system. But detecting these beasts is no simple task, as they are nearly invisible to telescopes. Humans only detect black holes when they gravitationally interact with other objects or are voraciously consuming surrounding matter. Recently, an international team of scientists discovered a supermassive black hole. It is estimated to have a mass about 3 billion times that of the Sun. Notably, this super black hole is growing very rapidly, swallowing matter equivalent to Earth's mass every second. Thus, it becomes the champion glutton among black holes ever discovered. So, what is the truth behind this story? Let's explore together. In 1916, Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes in his theory of general relativity. For decades, black holes were known as theoretical objects because scientists lacked concrete evidence of their existence. It wasn't until 1971 that scientists first discovered a black hole.
That was the Cygnus X1 black hole, located in the direction of the Cygnus constellation in the Milky Way.
At that time, astronomers identified an X-ray source coming from a blue star. It was orbiting a strange dark object, estimated to have a mass about 21 times that of the Sun. But its size was too small to be a star or anything else except a black hole. Through calculations, scientists believe the Cygnus X1 black hole has an event horizon radius of about 300 kilometers. And since then, many black holes have been discovered. Scientists have even captured images of a black hole. This is the first image of a black hole in the universe, taken by the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, in 2019. The image is of the M87 black hole, about 53 million light-years from Earth. When scientists study black holes, they find them to be the most voracious celestial bodies in the universe. They suck up all surrounding matter, including photons of light. But their gluttony is rarely analyzed in detail because it is very difficult for scientists to observe a black hole, let alone study their behavior. But recently, a team of astronomers from Australia unexpectedly discovered the most voracious black hole to date.
The newly named black hole is SMSSC 114,447.77 to 430,859.3, abbreviated as Z1144, located in the direction of the Cepheus constellation about 7 billion light-years from Earth. Black hole Z1144 has a supermassive size about 3 billion times that of the Sun.
Compared to the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A** at the center of our galaxy, C1144 is about 750 times larger, a true monster. But it doesn't stop there. C1144 is very hungry, swallowing surrounding matter and growing even larger. This colossal mass is the result of the black hole consuming an enormous amount of matter.
It is estimated that every second, the black hole swallows an amount of matter equivalent to Earth's mass.
Wow, just imagine. Earth has a mass of about 5.972 times 10 to the 24 kilograms, equivalent to about 5.972 billion tons of matter.
Yet the black hole takes only a single second to swallow that entire mass of matter.
In the history of space exploration, the rapid growth rate of black holes is not unusual. However, when compared to other black holes discovered over the past 60 years, the research team found none with a growth rate as fast as C1144. This makes it the brightest and fastest growing black hole ever discovered. Researchers are quite confident that this record will not be easily broken in the universe. The rapid accumulation of matter into black holes makes them more active. When they reach a certain limit, they become quasars, the brightest torches in the universe. As we know, quasars are light emitted from dense material clusters.
Located around the core of active galaxies, which host supermassive black hole masses.
It is estimated that quasar Z1144 is 7,000 times brighter than the light of all the stars in the Milky Way. Thus, it is also rated as one of the brightest quasars ever known in the universe.
Observed from Earth, the quasar has a brightness of 14.5 magnitude, slightly brighter than the apparent brightness of Pluto.
Therefore, you cannot see it with the naked eye. You need the assistance of specialized telescopes to observe it.
Scientists say the light from a black hole takes about 7 billion years to return.
And they discovered this black hole using a 1.3-meter diameter telescope in Australia. They have been hunting for similar objects for the past 50 years. However, D1144 was still overlooked because it is tilted 18 degrees from the plane of the Milky Way. But most previous surveys only went up to 20 or 30 degrees to avoid the area affected by sunlight. They likened locating the black hole D1144 to finding a small needle in a haystack. They were very fortunate to have found this black hole. Currently, scientists want to understand the reason why black hole D1144 grew so rapidly. Could some catastrophe have occurred? The research team leader, Mr. Christopher Onken,
a scientist at the Australian National University, said, "It's possible that two large galaxies collided in the past, dragging a massive amount of matter into the black hole and feeding it. However, it is very difficult to determine exactly how it formed." In the near future, the research team plans to conduct additional ultraviolet spectroscopic observations to gain a deeper understanding of black hole D1144.
They hope to find more black holes with similarly rapid growth rates. To test the general theory of the formation of these voracious objects, some researchers estimate that the universe has about 40 trillion black holes. They account for about 1% of the total matter in space. Therefore, it is highly likely that even more terrifying black holes are still lurking somewhere. That's just that scientists hate it.
Hopefully, in the future, as observation technology continues to advance,
scientists will discover new voracious supermassive black holes, breaking the record set by black hole D1144. So today, you and I have explored the fastest growing black hole ever known in the universe, D1144. I hope you have enjoyed some relaxing and interesting moments with me. And now, as usual, please choose the video on the left or right side of the screen to explore more mysteries of the universe together. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.